Good morning, guys, and welcome back. Today is my first day back. So it is 7 o'clock. I don't have to be there until 8:30, but I have to be on a bus at 8:30. So I wanted to make sure I had plenty of time to get to school, wake up, get my life together, and then get on the bus. So that's where we're headed right now. And school year 2019-2020, let's go. Got some tea made this morning to help my throat because it's hurting. Packing up my Sanford Harmony cards for our bus ride because we were told to bring them. Alright, I'm in Charlie's room and she decided she wanted an extra table. So we just had to carry this from inside the building and we filmed it on her camera. So she's getting her phone. Got it? But we made it, so nobody else can get it. And we're about to go get on a bus. Got lollipops! We're just waiting for everybody to be done. Relaxing. We're leaving. On to the next adventure. All right, let's chat about what today has been. So when we got back to school, let me rewind. You saw all the stuff from this morning. We got on a bus and we did a little tour of our school zone, actually, so we could see kind of where our kids come from and how far some of them have to walk. We actually did this little tour my very first year at my school, but we have had quite a few people join our staff since then. So we did this little tour and then we drove across town to this circus place, as you saw, where they train. And we did our staff pictures there. Before we got on the bus, I got a phone call from my doctor that he wanted me to come in first thing this morning. But unfortunately, I had these staff pictures, I had these work obligations, I gotta go. So they moved my appointment. It was originally supposed to be at 3. They moved it to 1. So as soon as I got off the bus, when we got back to school, I went straight to my mom's. I picked up my mom. We went to the doctor's office. Moral of the story, I got a scope put down through my nose, looked at my throat. Again, if you've been following me, you know I had a tonsillectomy 7 weeks ago. Been feeling great. And since I got back to school, I just feel like crap and my throat is swollen. So turns out I have lingual tonsillectomy, which is basically there are parts of my tonsil that are still there that just it's not safe to remove. So they remove the normal part of your tonsil and then leave this part that's near the back of your tongue. And most of the time it's a non-issue, but unfortunately for me, mine are still inflamed. So basically I'm going to go on antibiotics to help get rid of the tonsillitis, and whatever is causing it, some sort of allergen, is irritating my system, causing my tonsil, what's left to swell. So basically I'm going on antibiotics and I need to take allergy medicine regularly to help prevent this. So I'm exhausted. So as soon as I finished with my appointment, I ate because my anxiety had been so bad. I hadn't eaten much that day, or today, that day. I hadn't eaten much today. So ate some lunch and I went back to school. Finished up our meetings for the day, and I've just kind of been tying up some loose ends, getting information from the rest of my team and all that stuff of everything I missed today, and just kind of preparing. So I went to pick up my medicine. Unfortunately, it's not ready, so I got some allergy medicine to take in the meantime, and I'll just deal with that in the morning. Tomorrow we have the whole day to work in our rooms, so my room is pretty much done. So tomorrow I'll probably film my room tour, finish up my paperwork that I need to do. I printed out most of it. I need to finish my back to school flip book that I get, and I will link that down below. I'm pretty sure it's from Learning in Wonderland. I love it. So I just need to update a few things for this year and then figure out what I'm teaching next week. So that's tomorrow's goal. If I can get all of that done tomorrow, get my room tour filmed, I should be good to go for the first day, which means I won't have to come in this weekend because Friday we'll have meetings and it's Meet the Teacher. So there's a lot to do in the next 2 days. So tonight it's almost 6 o'clock. I'm just going to relax because I'm exhausted. So I am sorry for the sparse vlogging this afternoon. I tried to do more this morning, but keep in mind that I'm with a large staff who I've known for years, but still walking around holding a camera out, you get some looks. So I'm getting more comfortable. I will vlog more, I promise. Tomorrow I'll do a lot in my room, some copy stuff. So yeah, thanks for your support. We'll talk in the morning. Good morning. It is Thursday, so today we're supposed to have the entire day in our classroom. So I just kind of took my time getting up, getting ready this morning. Didn't do much. Threw a hat on, just a tank top. Hello, garage. I'm already a mess. Threw a hat on, just a tank top, some yoga pants, nothing crazy. I'm feeling a lot better today. I think just the fact that I went to the doctor yesterday and know what's going on has just given me so much peace. Ooh, that lighting though. Anyway, so I'm feeling better. Took some allergy medication. I have to get my antibiotics today. That should be good. All the manual labor in my classroom is done. So now I'm just doing paperwork, some labeling, easy stuff. Yeah, should be a good day. And then tomorrow's open house. Anyway, I forgot labels that I need for my books, so I'm gonna run in and get those and I'll talk to you at school. All right, so I just got everything powered up and I'm printing out the flip book. I just have to change a few things like the year and all of that, but I think it's basically the same. So I'm gonna get that printed so I can go and make all my copies, at least for open house. I'll deal with the first week later. right, well, I got one of those late nights going on. Trying to get everything ready. Everything is mostly copied. I'm finishing up some folders. I gotta stuff their homework folders so those are ready to go for Monday. Currently, I have this lovely candy jar I got as a gift last year that I'm picking the chocolate out of because it's 7:10 and I'm getting tired. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to not come in all this weekend. I'm just coming early Monday to like mentally prepare myself, but we're doing pretty good. So I'm gonna finish up looking for this paper that I'm trying to find so I can finish their calendar folders, stuff their homework folders, and then get everything set out for open house. And then I'm hoping to film my room tour tonight, but it's starting to get late, so I don't know. I might have to go get some food. So we'll see. Stay with me. Does anybody else feel successful when they find the paper they were looking for? Because I've searched through so many documents trying to find this one alphabet paper. And I finally found it. So, printing that, copying that, and then I can finish the calendar folders. Like, teacher win right now. So I got mostly everything laid out. For open house tomorrow, I still have a few more things to do, but it is like 9 o'clock. Just waiting for Charlie, and then we're gonna go get some dinner, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Oh my goodness, tomorrow's open house, so I gotta get up early so I don't look like all this. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning. We are not starting today in the car. We are starting today in my room. I'm tired. Tonight is open house. Well, today we have it at 2:30 and 5, I think. So I'm just finishing setting up for open house. I did not film my room tour last night, so I'm hoping to film that at some point today. I think we have meetings this morning. I should probably figure out what I'm doing. So I'm just making my open house frames. I'll show you the setup as soon as I get it finished. I'm almost done. But I think I have meetings starting at 8:30, so I'm trying to get everything done and ready by then. So I'm gonna get this computer going and I'll show you when I get everything set up. Alright, so I got all the things made. The last thing I have to make is jitter glitter. So it has this cute little poem all about the first day of school and like being nervous, and then I attached this little bag of confetti that they can put on their pillow the night before school starts. So I have to get all those made. We have a meeting with our grade level in like 10 minutes, so I'm honestly just bringing it all with me to get the photo frames ready and all of that. So that's the plan. What a day. I survived open house. It was crazy. I only had 4 kids not come out of 26, which was awesome. It's gonna be interesting though, but I'm really excited. Everybody seems really great, and I think it's gonna be a really exciting year. So I got all my supplies put away and everything cleaned up. So now I'm just getting name tags ready for the first week, and I'm gonna have to come in this weekend to finish up, but that's okay. Yeah, I'll update more when I get out of here. So that's it for now. All right, so I can talk a little bit more now. I'm out of school. I got my name tags printed. I am gonna have to come in tomorrow, which is Saturday, in the morning, just to get my copies made for the week. I didn't have the time or the energy to do that today, so I have to do that, get my name tags laid out. Folders are pretty much ready. I just have to fix a few things so I can send those home. But overall, open house was a success. I only had 4 kids who didn't come, which is an amazing turnout. I really had time to talk to all of the parents. Hopefully I answered all of their questions. Kindergarten parents, you know, it's a scary thing. something I really enjoy doing it because I'm just like, I'm so used to it. So I feel like I know how to, or at least I hope I know how to kind of put them at ease. So Monday will be an emotional day for them, for the kids, but I'm so excited and I'm really happy with how my classroom turned out. I'm so thankful for all the supplies I got. I even have some like extra donations that some of the parents offered to give. So that's so helpful. And I think it's going to be, I think it's going to be a good year. I'm manifesting a good year. Hopefully we all are able to come together and like make amazingness, because that's always the goal, right? And so I am like sitting on my 26, which is intimidating, but I will have help the first week, thankfully. And you know, this ain't my first rodeo. This ain't my second rodeo. It's my fourth, which I'm feeling very old saying that. I can't believe I've been teaching for 4 years. It's a really long time. I just can't believe I'm here. Like, this was my dream in life, to be a teacher, and living my dream. So Charlie and I are going to get some dinner while she's kid free for a couple more hours. What even is that pen on my head? Yep, it is. It's about right. God, I don't know how long that was even on there. Hopefully I didn't have that the entire second meet and greet. It's been a week, guys. So anyway, oh, I am getting dojo updates that my parents are signing up for dojo. That is like, if you are going to use Class Dojo, number one, you should. And number two, send the stuff home at open house. I usually put out Chromebooks and have them sign up there, but I just didn't have time to charge my Chromebooks. Send it home, because I've had, I think 4 parents have connected so far. So that's awesome, because I can just double check the way they're getting home on Monday over the weekend. But anyway, I will talk to you more tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Anyway, thanks for following along. Open house, success. Hope yours was too. Let me know in the comments. How did your open house go? How many kids do you have? What grade are you teaching? Tell me all the things. I want to get to know the people who watch me, if you're a teacher. If you're not a teacher, then just say hey. Comment down below with, let's do the pencil emoji. Back to school pencil emoji. If you've watched this far, shout out, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I'm rambling. I'm tired. That's all. Good morning. So I ended up not coming in yesterday because I just didn't feel good. So it is Sunday now. Tomorrow's the first day of school. So I'm just getting everything printed so I can go make some copies, get everything laid out. I'm gonna do as much as I can for the week and just kind of play it by ear. So wish me luck. I'll show you what I'm working on right now. So we have a folder that goes home every day, and we don't call it a homework folder, we call it a communication folder. So I always change this every year. So this is our circus theme, and then on the first day of school when they come in, the very first thing they'll get to do is color it so that I can get everybody situated. So that's what I'm working on right now.